my channel Nursing Made Easy. I hope you all are keeping well. So today we are going to discuss about 4 reasons why people are failing in the practical examination of aptitude test. We can see there is only 75% of success rate in the first attempt of aptitude test and 86% in the second attempt. That means 25% of people are failing at first attempt and 14% are failing even in the second attempt. So we are going to see why it's happening. So these all are I am going to tell 4 reasons. These reasons are observed by the examiners who is conducting the exam. I have read from their website and I'm just sharing that information to you. The first reason what they are telling is lack of preparation. So it's an exam, so you need to prepare well. It's advised to prepare everything well and you should be aware about the test and the contents in detail before you are attending the examination. So what is happening here is they have mentioned everything, like what you have to read, what equipment you have to know, what charts you have to know, what all the disease condition you have to know, which book you have to refer. Everything they have mentioned in the RCSI website. In my previous videos, I have mentioned you can go to the RCSI website for the aptitude preparation or aptitude test preparation. You will get that page and you can go through the page and everything will be there in that page. So here, the people are not reading that one properly and they are not preparing well. That's why they are failing in the examination. So that's the first reason they have observed. Because they can't say like, you don't know, you are not aware about the content. Because they mention what you have to read. What is the disease condition will be there for the exam. What diagnostic test for the exam. What charts, documents for the exam. And even they have shown the pictures of the equipment that you're using for the examination. So still you're failing means you're not preparing. That's what they have observed. That's the first reason. Then second reason that they are telling is rote learning. What is rote learning? It's nothing but by hearting. Nursing, we are not supposed to by heart anything. Okay. Here what you have to do is you should apply your knowledge to the safe delivery of your care. That's what you have to do in nursing. You cannot rote learn anything in the nursing. For example, you have rote learn about hand washing. Okay, hand washing procedure. So you know purpose of the hand washing and how it is doing, why you have to do, what's the benefits of hand washing, everything you have learned. Okay, so you know it will prevent infection. There should not be any transmission of bacteria, no nosocomial infection, everything you have learned. That means you by hearted that things. But when you are going to do a dressing, you are not doing hand washing and just you are directly going and putting gloves and doing procedure. That means you know the aspect, you know that one and you learn, but you are not applying that for the safe delivery of care. That's what happening. So here the examiners are observed that the people know the things, like they know the aspects, but they are not applying that one in a knowledgeable way or in a good way to the safe delivery of the patient. That's what they are seeing. So the rote learning is the second factor they are telling the people are failing for the aptitude examination. So don't by heart anything. So learn things. I told you, like when I mentioned about the diagnostic test, just read that one and understand what is that. And once you're understanding that, you will understand how to apply that knowledge to practice because you are a nurse, isn't it? So that's another reason for failing for aptitude examination. The third reason they are telling is difference between the countries. Of course, you are coming from different countries. So when your country, when you are practicing, you have different equipment and you have different documents. So when you are coming for the practical examination, you have to do your procedure with the equipment here and documents here. But there also you cannot blame them because they have shown all the pictures of the equipment in their website. So you didn't read that, or you didn't see, you didn't pay attention into that pictures. That's why you will feel like it's new for them. Sorry, it's new for you. And apart from that, all the documents also they have given in their website in the PDF form, why it's using and how to fill everything they have mentioned. But still you are not reading. Okay, you didn't read the website. Still, there is another chance. Like after your theory examination, you will get a small tutorial regarding the documentation and the equipment what we are using for the practicals in the exam center. You will get a small tutorial regarding that. But that time what's happening, you have came for the theory examination and you did and you pass, and you are like you are sitting there to go home, and you won't give much attention to what they're teaching there. So at least listen to them what they are teaching, everything, so you will understand. So that difference in the equipment and documents in your country and here. So just pay attention to the documents and equipment which is given their site, or at least listen to the tutorial. Then the fourth factor why you're failing for the aptitude test in Ireland is nothing but you're not giving attention. That's another reason. So as I mentioned before, you will get a tutorial there after your theory examination regarding the practical equipment and your documents. There, you are not paying attention. Of course, you will fail. Okay, you should understand what they are telling, what about the documents and what about the equipment. Even they will show some of the procedure to you, how to do dressing, everything they will show you. So you should pay attention. Apart from that, you have your scenario in the door of your station. That means you will get a chance to read your scenario before you are going to the examination. So when you are reading that one, it will be properly mentioned there what you have to do. Maybe like you have to administer this thing, or you have to assess the condition, or what is the thing you have to do is mentioned properly in that scenario. So when you are reading, what people is doing means, like you may get a question, a station of seizure. Okay, so before you are attending the exam, you are familiar that you may get a seizure station. So what you have practiced maybe aftercare of the seizure. Okay, when you are seeing the question seizure, it's a station of seizure, so I have to tell these all things. This is what I have to do. You won't read properly. You're not paying attention. You have to read that one, what they are asking to you. So once you spend 1 or 2 minutes properly and plan what you have to say, of course, with confidence, you can prepare that and you can attend well. But the people are not doing that one. They are so anxious. That's why they are not reading well. Or they may have overconfidence because, it's regarding seizure. I already learned this station. I don't have any problem. Whatever it may be. But the thing is like lack of attention is a reason for the failure. So these are the 4 factors why people are failing for the aptitude test. The first one is, what is a lack of preparation? So you are not reading the website properly. Then second one is a rote learning. Don't by heart anything. Third one is difference between countries. So you should be familiar with the equipment and the document. Just go through the website and you will be familiar with everything. And pay attention. What they are teaching there, you have to attend well. And what is the question? You should read. You should read properly and go to the exam and attend well. So that's all about today. I hope this video will be useful for you. And if you find this video useful, please share to your friends and subscribe my channel and like and comment. Just comment what is your opinion regarding this video. I would like to listen to your comments. So that's all for today. I will come with another video tomorrow. One more thing. Tomorrow onwards, I'm going to give tips for practical tests, like each station by station tips I can give. So I'm going to give the tips. So it will be like maybe 15 parts will be there. I will do like one by one. So see you. Bye-bye.